So many institutes were raising the grievances, were calling us, sending the emails about the issues of the DSC. We observe what are the issues, what are the problems the institutes are facing, what steps they are doing. So it is observed that the steps are not getting exactly followed, because whenever our team members were guiding, or whenever our team members were taking the particular institute on remote, at that time there were no any issues. The DSC was getting registered successfully. So for us it was challenging. Whenever we are, or our team members were doing that, it was getting success. But from the institute side, there was issue. Not such issue, because more than 3,500 institutes already registered successfully. So again, we did the analysis and we come to some conclusion, and we decided that we interact with the institutes region-wise, and we will explain, we will discuss the exact steps. Somebody else. Okay. So we decided and we scheduled the interactive session-wise, and therefore we are interacting. So first I will discuss the steps. I will share the screen and I will discuss the steps. Please give attention. Please write down the steps. These steps are very important. To avoid the errors. First request that all institutes should have good quality system, desktop or laptop. Second, there should be no other applications, other softwares running or other applications open on your system. With the help of your IT personnel, you have to check the settings. Even it is observed that
Next problem. MOU placement, there I got it out because of that I didn't put, ma'am. See here, no. Actually, this placements and all, no. Each year, what is the total student count? That many students will join. In that year wise we have to put all together we have to put for 5 years.
Install
5 years.
or connect the DSC through the
like this.
through the USB port. Insert the DSC from dongle, whatever pen drive.
That you forward to me. Based on that, the same.
You have to activate that DSC. Means whenever you got the DSC or whenever you were registering for the DSC, at that time you have created your ID and as well as what you can say PIN or password. Okay. Whatever the PIN you have created, that you have to use and you have to activate your DSC. Still, we are coming to the AICT portal. You have to complete the 3 activities. First, your browser is refreshed, removing the unwanted data. Second, from the AICT website, not portal, AICT website, download the AICT signer and install it. Next activity, insert the DSC. We observe that institutes were installing AICT signer and going to the AICT web portal without connecting the DSC. Then how is it possible to register your DSC? Your selected DSC is getting configured with the AICT portal. Therefore, without connecting your DSC, it is not possible to configure your DSC with the web portal. So, this activity, that is the DSC, insert DSC, make it active and then come to the AICT web portal. Then you have to use your ID and